Hi friends, it's Julia. I'm here to share my August 2020 kit hauls. The first one is Freckled Spawn that I got this month. And here it is. I love this alphabet. It's kind of a cream color with a craft or tan color alphabet. And you guys know I always get two of the alphabets. Just because, you know, just because. And then the labels this month are amazing. Only one has verbiage. It says hello there. The washi strips, there's two pieces in here of each one, and they're a little under 6 inches. Love that. You get the hello on there, the arrows, the rainbows, not traditional or standard colored rainbows. I love the browns and the pinks. These chipboard stickers are too cute. This one is in the off-white tone. This one is in the full white. This one is full white background, as are these. And then this rainbow is on an off-white. This says, love all these people. Remember the happy memories. Have a happy day. Hello. Good times and all the beautiful things. Wish it said all the beautiful people. Those are lovely. Anytime I get brown enamel dots and then that dusty rose color, I love that. Those are my two favorite colors together, so this kit really speaks to me. And then the wood veneer this time is the rainbow shape, and there's two in here, so that'll be fun to play with. Next up is my Felicity Jane, so give me a second to take it out of the box. This month's kit is called Tori. So along with this kit, let me show you the paper. I'll start there. I know I'm starting with the absolute bottom here. Here is the sample sheet of all the different patterns. You can cut that off, as well as these scallops to be border strips, or you can use these throughout your scrapbooking as well, which I do. Then a title piece that says August, and then a close-up of the papers that are just stunning. I can see cutting that apart, and I love those little hearts. Love that. Love these pinwheels. It's called Confetti. The other one was called Floral and Hearts. Love a grid. Stripes and dotted rows. Who doesn't love a bold stripe like that? Spots and flowers. So these are not precise circles on this paper. I don't know if the camera will show it well enough, but they are like little splotchy dots. And then of course the back side is a black and white flower. Love this one. Scallops and stripes. Love that. It has even a stitch detail along the scallops. So pretty. And I love that teal aqua mint color. This one is called Stitching and Chevron. This actually looks like a stitch. I don't know if I can get it close enough there that you can tell. A scallop stitch, and then that chevron. I love that. I love a big bold chevron, but I also love it in multiple colors. And these are not completely straight chevron pieces. There are a few. Like here, if you look, it's straight, but it's wonky. It's like thicker here and thinner here, but it's straight. And then these others are wonky. Love that. And then of course two solids. Love that salmon color and that dusty pink color. Love that mint color. Oh, and I love that dark green as well. So those are the papers that came in this month's kit. Let me lay them back here, especially with that one. A mint alphabet. These are puffy stickers. It's the Tori alphabet. Tori puffy stickers. These are all on sharp white. There's no off-white here, but the colors are really good. There are, at first I looked at this and I thought it was like tassels or something, and then I looked closer and I'm like, is that a letter? I'm not really sure. So I turn it over and sure enough, it's a very large alphabet in multiple colors. So yeah, I don't know if they're adhesive back. It just says die cut alphabet. If not die cut, then if not adhesive back, then it wouldn't, I mean, you could use Dotto stick tape, you could use your glue runner, you could use wet glue, anything from those. The epoxy dot stickers, love these. You know, they're always so super flat. Then the, let me show you the die cuts here. The Tori die cuts. I love Tori. She's got those big wide leg pants on, and I wear those a lot. Although right now with work, I'm not able to wear my cute clothes because I have to wear my scrubs, which is good. You know, in one sense, it's easy. I don't have to think about what I'm going to put on to go to work. But I like cute clothes, and I don't get to wear them right now. So this is the stamp set that came with. And it says, it's your special day, surprise, yay, it's a party, happy, happy, happy with an H in the center, growing up, best day, celebrate, birthday, happy, happy birthday, a little explosion there, happy, 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 hooray, living my best life, confetti, a star, a candle with fire, a heart, and a cake. Super cute. Now I did go onto the website and order the Tori girl stamp, but I did not order it in time for it to come with this collection. So it'll be here in a few days. So I won't bother to go back and show you. You guys know it matches their die cut girly 100%. And here is the washi tape. It is this golden yellow with a white dot. Love that. And then the pocket page cards. There's that lovely floral. The back is a dot grid. This is a pink grid and white on one end. The dot grid on the back. This one is the mint stripe with white on one end and a grid on the back. This one is a date and details card and a dot grid on the back. A red or a salmon colored gingham grid on the back. Those multicolored dots, love those, on part of it, and then white on the other part, and then a grid on the back. And this one is that 3 tones, the teal, the mint, and the aqua colors. Says today, and a dot grid. This one is those little starburst, asterisks, whatever you want to call them, and then a spot in the middle. Sorry about that. A place for a little title in the center, and a grid on the back. This one says details, and it's black here and white with the dot grid. That bold stripe with the white section down here, a grid on the back. Black polka dots on a white background with the grid, and then hooray in all the different tones, and then a dot grid. So that's what I got as far as my 2 kits this month. So we'll see what I can get done with this. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. This came along as a free gift. There's a little tag with the thank you card that comes. You know, every month they give you a little card that matches the kit, a little pocket page card. And so here's one. And then this is talking about a birthday sale that's going on. Nice. Yeah. And then, of course, here is a traveler's notebook. This one is from a paper collection, I want to say, from the first part of the year, or maybe last fall. And the pages are blank, so you can use them for whatever. So, I don't know what I'll use it for, but I'll use it for something. Anyway, there's that. Bye-bye.